Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter and port so you know what to fix and why. Once done, unplug both ends and hold the device power button for 10 seconds to drain caps. You'll need a small Phillips, flathead, tweezers, and electrical tape. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace. Inspect the connector visually and by feel to find wobble or bent pins. If solder joints are suspected, note their location so you don't fumble during the next step. Once the housing is open, you'll see where the cable meets the plug. Make sure to observe how everything sits before touching it so you can reassemble correctly. If pins are bent, realign them gently with tweezers. If solder joints are cracked, reflow with a low-wattage iron. Apply heat briefly and add a tiny amount of solder. After repair, reinforce the joint with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape and restore the strain relief to prevent repeat failure. You reassemble the casing paying attention to wire routing so nothing gets pinched, then snug the screws. Do not over-tighten as that can crack plastic. Once closed, test with a multimeter for continuity and correct voltage. Next, plug into the device to confirm steady power under small movement. If problems persist, try a known good adapter to isolate the issue, check the device's fuse or power jack, and as a last resort,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.